is Pravir. I am speaking from Ahmedabad. Today I am making a wheel gun. The parts I have used are measuring scale, one minifigure, four small wheels, one rubber band, and gears, and two big wheels, one big block, and many more parts. I will show you a demo in which I will show you two activities. The height of the ramp is 25 centimeters. In first activity, the car I have used have four small wheels. Now I will show you a demo. The length the travel distance it covered is 130. Now I will show you the second activity. And in second activity, the parts I have used are: in front there are two small wheels, and behind there are two big wheels, and in center there is a weight block. Now I will show you a demo. The distance it covered is 250. The difference is, in first activity I have used four small wheels, and in second activity I have used two big wheels. In second activity, the length of the wheel is bigger and there is no friction. Thank you.